Hey folks, Josh here, KG7JK with a quick little tutorial on Baofeng radios. Now after you've uploaded your program in your Baofeng, however you want to pronounce it, we'll have all kinds of channels for all kinds of different uses and things, but there's a few things that the Chirp software doesn't put into it that you're going to want to do to make your life a little easier. So first of all,
channel mode.
Turn on your radio, but maybe not that loud, okay? And by default, it's going to have a couple channels on here that you're already on. Okay, so I'm going to hit the menu button.
Menu.
And it should start at menu number 0, which is your squelch. Now, by default, your squelch is at 3. That's going to be really noisy and annoying. So you're going to want to turn that up. So I'm going to say menu, and if I'm not already on squelch, I'm going to go up and down until I get that. I'm going to hit menu again to change it, and I'm going to go up and down. See how it's going up and down? I'm going to turn it all the way up to 9. So unless it's a strong signal, I don't want to hear it. And I'm going to hit menu again to confirm. Okay. Now I'm going to keep going. This time on up. And if you go up to setting number 21, blah 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 blah. Number 21 is MDF A frequency. 22 is MDF B frequency, okay? You're going to want to change that. So I'm going to go back down to MDF A, just like we have the AB sides, right? Well, right now, it's going to show the frequency. Well, I want to change that, so I'm going to hit menu, and I'm going to go down to name. I want to see the name of that channel, not the frequency. And then I hit menu again, and it's confirmed, okay? So let's go to MDF-B, hit menu, and from frequency, I don't want frequency, I don't want the channel number, I want the name. I'm going to hit menu, and it confirmed. Great, I'm all done here. Now I'm going to press exit. Look at that. Now my channels actually show the name of what it's for. Awesome. So a couple cool other things you're going to want to know for later. You know how I was saying A and B? If I press this AB button, it switches between the A side and the B side of this radio. This radio has 2 sides. It can do 2 things at once. And whichever one it has the little bitty arrow next to, sorry, on this side here, right now it says Joseph, right? Law County Sheriff's Office. Whichever one the arrow is next to, that's the one that if you push the button, it's going to try and talk on. It'll listen on the other one, but wherever that arrow is, that's where it's going to try and talk, okay? Another thing that you might want to do is this orange button over here.
Frequency mode.
Turns it off of the channels and back on to frequency mode. Well, why would I ever want to take it out of the channel and put in a frequency if I don't even know all the frequencies and stuff? Well, maybe you accidentally pushed this button, lost your channels, and you're like, oh, how do I find my way back?
Channel mode.
You go to channel mode with that orange button, okay? And last but not least, another really important feature is the lock button, okay?
1, 2.
So you will see here on the little bitty letters that there's little blue, of course it's not focusing all that well. There we go. You can see little blue letters on each of those buttons, and that's what it'll do if you hold it down for a long time. So 2 cool things about that. One is scan. The scan is on the asterisk right below exit. It says scan, and if I hold that down,
Scanning begin.
Scanning, and you'll notice whichever one that arrow was on, it's now running through all of those, and if it hears anything, it will stop. Another reason why you'd like to have that squelch turned up, right? Now the FRS channels can be really noisy, but it'll scan along. It's not as fast as a normal scanner, okay? And if I just pop the mic at some point in time, it'll stop, all right? The other handy one is right below that is the squelch to get you to the squelch setting right away. And the very bottom one here is a little bitty key. And you can't see it on this webcam because it's not adjusting fast enough. Right down here at the very bottom on the pound symbol is a key. icon. And when you hold that button down,
Lock.
it locks it. So that now, no matter what I do, while it's in my pocket or on the side of my belt clip or whatever it might be, I'm pushing buttons and stuff, it's not doing anything, okay? You can't accidentally screw it up and get it on the wrong channel and stuff. But if you want to change something, change your channel or whatever, they won't let you do that either until you go back to the pound sign and hold it down so that it will unlock. Okay? So those are the basics of the Baofeng UV5 radios. Good luck, and if you have problems, you know where to reach me. Thanks. And I need to find out how to turn off this recording.